Hi there, I hope all are safe and sound. My name is Shuva Mallick, web developer at Bitscaber. We have crafted a powerful admin dashboard template using Vue 3, TypeScript, Shadcn component, Tailwind CSS and many more, designed to elevate your next project. We have built this admin dashboard to be scalable and visually stunning, perfect for developers who prioritize speed, flexibility and ease of use when creating modern admin panels. This is the landing page of the admin dashboard template. It highlights the main feature of this Vue 3 admin dashboard in a quick summary. So there have couple of FAQs you can see and key feature like a light and dark mode, multiple demos, dedicated support, everything is here. And there have a two version, one is light version and another one is dark version. You can visit the dashboard directly from here. So now I'm going to the live preview. Now let's dive into the main dashboard to explore all the component and functionality. There are 5 modern admin dashboard templates included: analysis, finance, career and course. Also last one is sales, you can see. So we have used Apex chart for visualize the data for those chart, and each and every part is a reusable component. Everything is built using a component based structure, so you can easily integrate it into your own app. So now I am going to the management. So there have a 4 management feature. You can see this is the user management. Almost all the feature is functional, like you can search Mary Pro, you can search the user, you can filter by status, you can see, you can also filter by role. Now clear, everything is back to the default. And this is the action mode. There are also have a individual action button. You can see view, edit and delete. When you can delete from here. Also you can delete bulk user from here. So there are 5 selected users list. You can delete from here. Now I am going to edit the user. You can edit the data from here. You can create user from here, and here is the profile. Those are the post. This is the friend tab, followers, and here is the gallery option. Here is the products as the same functionality available in this product list. These are the edit. Everything is handled by the dynamically and easy to use. Create product form, and here is the details, product details. Now going to the order list, total order, new order and delivered, and you can find as well. Here is the order details, inbox. Each and every part is dynamic. Currently this feature is not included in this template, but we are at this new feature soon. Now we are developing this task management feature. It's called a Kanban. So you can manage your tasks from here. We are adding so many new features in this template, so don't worry about this. Also when Vue.js and any others packages will be updated, we will update our template as soon as possible. This is the account setting, security notification, and here is the support page, ticket, FAQ, contact, notification, message. There have a language change feature, and here is the dark mode. Dark mode looks is stunning. We have developed this admin dashboard using reusable component, making it easy for you to integrate into your own application. You can see each and every component is separated. Here is the table. Here is the all UI. Those are the Shadcn UI. We have customized based on our own theme. Everything is module based. You can see. Here is the data. Also you can see the mock server. The template upgrade is currently in progress. Upgrades are ongoing and we will be continuously adding new feature. So don't worry about it. International language changes module. layout, all there have all pages. Those are the router. There have all sections. Actually, we are designing this template to be as component based and reusable as possible, which enhance both readability and maintainability. And this is the store. So now I am showing the responsiveness. You can see, I will show you. You can see the responsiveness in our application. See, and you can see the well-maintained documentation. Here is that documentation. Somehow logo is not showing, we will fix that, no problem. You can see we have explained step by step. And folder structure, you can see the folder structure, layout and dependencies. Further, if you face any issue, feel free to contact us, we will help you. If you interested, you can purchase this dynamic admin dashboard template built with the latest code standards. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.